Hi, Melanie, welcome back.
Hi.
Is that your car outside?
Yeah, it is.
Looks like the headlights could use a little love.
Yeah, maybe.
I've got a product you're gonna love. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think.
Hi, I'm Melany, and today it looks like I'm restoring my headlights for the first time. I think he was right. My headlights, they need some love. Let's start buffing. Now for the first step. I'm gonna apply a little bit of masking tape around the edge to make sure I protect this nice vintage paint. There you go. Doesn't have to be pretty as long as it protects the paint around it. And now you're ready for the first stage of sanding. Let's go. Now for this first stage, I'm gonna use an 800 grit sandpaper on the adapter, like this. And I'll make sure I put my safety glasses on and my mask. And I'm good to go. The key is to apply just a little bit of pressure and let the paper do the work. Now it's time for stage 2. Now I'm just gonna wipe the excess off, always in the same direction. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the next step with the 1000 grit sandpaper on. Yeah, it's kind of hard because you really need to apply the right amount of pressure on this to make it go easily across the headlights. Geez, it's supposed to look good at the end, but right now, it's pretty horrible. I'm just gonna wipe this clean. So on with the third stage, with the 2000 grit paper, the one with the sponge and the one that counts. I'll just add a little bit of water. Let's go. And on to the last step. And now for the final step, the polishing. I just added some scratch remover in an X shape on top of this pad, and I'm gonna go across until it's nice and clear. What? That is so nice and clear. I have to show you the before so you can really appreciate the after. Look at that. That is disgusting. That one is so nice. I'm happy I've done that. I'm Melany, and I've restored my headlights all by myself for the first time.